Hello, guys. Good day. My name is Christian Idoko. I welcome you to this channel, Coins Concrete Construction Limited, where we shall be taking you through construction practices. As an introduction, I'm going to take you through the correct way of reading tape. This is a very common tape in building sites in Nigeria. The 7.5 meter tape or 25 feet tape for measuring relatively shorter distances, and this other tape is for measuring longer distances. There is a bigger one, bigger than this. There's 100-meter tape. Then one 66 feet. But the length that can actually be rolled out is 165 feet. So I'll start with how to read this very common tape. This very common one is the one I use on site. You can see the mud around it. So how do you read this tape? This tape is calibrated in such a way that the right side, according to this picture now, the right side is in feet, the left side is in centimeters. This is 1 inch, this is 2 inches, this is 3 inches, 4 inches, 12 inches make 1 foot. So in all, there's the total length of this tape is 25 feet. Then this is 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 5 centimeter. In all, the total length is 7.5 meters. So we have two readings on this particular tape, separated by this thin black line straight down. So the right the right reading is in inches, the left one is in centimeters. In between 2 inches, like in between 3 inches and 4 inches, we have 32 lines. Between 2 inches and 3 inches, we have 32 lines. So in between every inch, there are about there are 32 lines, and each of those lines represents 1 over 32 of an inch. So for example, this is where the 3 inch line started from. This is the 3 inch line. So from here we have, when you count from here to this 4 inch, you have 32 lines in all. So this first short line is 1 over 32. This one, when you add 1 over 32 plus 1 over 32, you have 1 over 16. This is 1 over 16 line. This is 3 over 32 line. This is 1 over 8. This is 5 over 32. This is 3 over 16. This is 7 over 32. This is 1 over 4. That is 1/4 of an inch. This is 9 over 32. This is 5 over 16. This is 11 over 32. This is 3 over 8. This is 13 over 32. This is 7 over 16. This is 15 over 32. And this is half an inch, 1 over 2. All I'm doing is just adding 1 over 32, 1 over 32, 1 over 32 to be getting what the figures I'm calling out. So this is half an inch. When you add 1 over 32 to 1 over 2, you are going to have 17 over 32. You add 1 over 32 again, you have 9 over 16. Add 1 over 32, you have 19 over 32. 5 over 8, 21 over 32. 11 over 16. 23 over 32. We have 3 over 4. We have 25 over 32. We have 13 over 16. We have 27 over 32. We have 7 over 8. We have 29 over 32. We have 15 over 16. We have 31 over 32. And we have 1. When added to 3, you have 4 inches. I want to take a reading, let's say here, this is 3.5 inches from here. Any reading, any measure that aligns with this line is 3.5 inch. Any measure that aligns with this line is 1 over 16 inch. So anyone that aligns with This one is 3 1/4 inch, 3.5 inch, and so on and so forth. So when you come to the centimeter, this is 4 centimeter, 5 centimeter, 6 centimeter. Each centimeter is represented by 10 lines. And you know that 10 millimeter make 1 centimeter. So what it means is that 5 centimeter is equal to 50 millimeter. So if this is 5 centimeter, then this is also 50 millimeter. This is 51 millimeter, 52 millimeter, 53 millimeter, 54 millimeter, 55 millimeter, 56 millimeter, 57, 8, 59, 60 millimeter, in that order. So each of these lines is like 1 millimeter or 0.1 centimeter. Yes. So if it's in centimeter, you say this is 5.1 centimeter, zero point 0.2, zero point 0.3, 0.4, 0.5, 5.5 centimeter, 5.6 centimeter, 5.9 centimeter, 6 centimeter. So if you want to get it in meters, you divide by 100, because 100 centimeters make 1 meter. So this 5 centimeter divided by 100 is going to give you 0.05 meter. So this is 0.05 meter, this is 0.06 meter, 0.07 meter, 0.04 meter, in that order. So let's go to the bigger tape. In the bigger tape, this bigger tape, which is this 50-meter tape, hmm, this is how the tape looks like when you roll it out. This is how it looks like. This one has the calibrations on the two sides of the tape. The other one has it only on one side of the tape. This one has it on two sides of the tape. So one side is in feet and the other side is in meters. So this is 50 meters, while the other side is in feet, which is 165 feet. So this tape, the calibration started at 10 centimeter. Calibration started almost at 10 centimeters. This is because this part of the tape is included in the calibration. It's just that it has been covered by this. So we cannot measure a distance of less than 10 centimeter with this type of tape. This is preferable for longer distances. So this tape is preferable for longer distances. And there's a little bit disparity between the measurements gotten from this tape and the one gotten from the other one, but is minimal. Because in measuring, like let's say you are measuring a plot of land with this tape, a difference of 2 millimeter, 5 millimeter is very insignificant when measuring a plot of land. Distance as large as a plot of land. When you have 2 millimeter, 5 millimeter disparity, it is very insignificant. Yeah, but when you want more accurate measurement, use the other tape. Use the other that other tape explained earlier. So in this one now, if you look at the calibration, this is in meters, this is 50 meters, but this is 10 centimeter. So this is 11 centimeter, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 centimeter. This is 20 centimeter, 21 centimeter, 22 centimeter, in that order. So if you look very closely, you see that between 20 and 21 centimeter, we have about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lines between 20 and 21 centimeters. So each of these lines is zero point 0.2. So this is 20.2 centimeter, 20.4 centimeter, 20.6 centimeter, 20.8 centimeter, 21 centimeter. So if it's in mm, if it's in millimeter, what you just say is this is 202 millimeter. When you multiply by 10 to get it in millimeter is 202, 204 millimeter, 206 millimeter, 208 millimeter, 210 millimeter, 220 millimeter, 230 millimeter, 240, 280 millimeter, 290 millimeter, 300 millimeter. So this is how to read this long tape. Now, like I said before, the difference between this tape and the other one is just very small, but in measuring shorter distances, it's advised that you use this one, this 7.5 or 5 meter tape, or there's even I think 2.5 meter tape. So use of these tapes, this type of tape for measuring shorter distances, but for longer distances you can use this one. This tip, this hook here is about 5 millimeter thick, so it is still added to these calibrations, but when you measure with this tape for shorter distances, you get that minor error of 2 millimeter or 1 millimeter difference between what this tape will give you and what the other one will give you. So it is advisable you use this one for shorter distances and you use this one for longer distances. We'll be bringing you contents of this nature subsequently. We are starting with this because tape reading is the basic, it's like the number one of construction. So to start any construction work, you will always work with dimensions. And how do you get dimensions? How do you get dimensions from maybe plan to on ground? You use tape measurement. So I hope that this is explanatory enough. If it is confusing, you can send me a message. I will explain it further in a better way. Thank you very much for listening. Please remember to subscribe to our channel so that you can be getting content of this nature frequently. Thank you.